Hey everyone, welcome back to E-TEC. Today, I'm sharing the 5 best free screen recorders for Windows in 2025. Whether you're making tutorials, gaming videos, or just need to record your screen for work, these tools have you covered. Let's get into it. First up, OBS Studio. This one's a classic. It's completely free, open source, and packed with pro-level features. You can stream, record, set up multiple scenes, and even mix audio like a pro. If you want maximum control and quality, OBS is the way to go. Next, ShareX. This is a lightweight but crazy powerful tool. It's perfect for grabbing screenshots, making GIFs, and even adding quick annotations to your recordings. If you're into tutorials or walkthroughs, ShareX makes your life so much easier. Third, Xbox Game Bar. Built right into Windows 10 and 11, it's a lifesaver for gamers. Just hit Windows plus G, and you're recording instantly. No installs, no hassle. It's basic but super convenient, especially for quick game clips. Fourth on my list, FlashBack Express. Think of it as the free version of FlashBack Pro, but with all the essentials. Record your screen, your webcam, and there's no time limit or watermark. Plus, the simple timeline editor is a sweet bonus. Finally, Loom. If you're working with a team or need to share quick walkthroughs, Loom's got your back. Record your screen and webcam, then share instantly with a link. The free plan is generous, making it perfect for personal projects. So, those are my top 5 free screen recorders for Windows in 2025. Got a favorite I missed? Drop it in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips from E-TEC. Thanks for watching.